Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In another video, today's video we will be discussing the Muslim period, which is 600 AD to 1600 AD. The science of chemistry grew and flourished in early civilizations of the world. The Egyptians, the Greeks, the Romans and the Muslims contributed much more to the science of chemistry. The Muslim made a rich contribution to the knowledge in chemistry. They spread like shining stars on the horizon of the world of science. They made effective and invaluable services in the field of chemistry. This period of Muslims is almost 1,000 years long, 600 into 1680. The principal goals of Muslim chemists were to find out methods to prolong life, to look for ways to change base metals into gold, find physical evidences to support religious and philosophical beliefs, though they failed in doing so, but they laid the foundation of the laboratory methods. These methods are still used in modern chemistry. The Muslim scientists discovered many elements, for example arsenic, antimony and bismuth, etc. They developed and used many laboratory instruments, for example funnels, crucible, etc. Many new chemical processes were also introduced by Muslim scientists, for example filtration, fermentation, distillation, etc. This period provides basis for the modern chemistry. The period of Muslims is generally called the period of alchemists in the history of chemistry. Muslim scientists presented chemistry as purely experimental or practical science. Some well-known Muslim scientists and their achievements are mentioned down below. Jabir ibn Hayyan. Jabir ibn Hayyan is generally known as the father of chemistry. He was probably the first scientist who had a well-established laboratory. He invented experimental methods such as distillation, sublimation, filtration, extraction, metals, etc. He prepared hydrochloric acid, nitric and wildlife. Muhammad ibn Zakaria al-Razi, 864 to 930 AD. Al-Razi was a physician, chemist and a philosopher. He wrote 26 books, but the most famous book was Al-Asrar. In this book he discussed the different processes of chemistry. He was the first chemist to divide the chemical compounds into 4 types and also divide the substances into non-living and living origin. Prepared alcohol by fermentation. Al-Biruni. He made great contribution in the field of physics, metaphysics, mathematics, geography, astronomy and history. In the field of chemistry he understood the different chemical procedures and chemical combinations. He determined the densities of different substances. Ibn Sina. Ibn Sina is generally known as the Aristotle of the Muslim world. He is famous for his contribution in the field of medicine, mathematics, astronomy, medical chemistry and philosophy. He is the first scientist who rejected the idea that base metals cannot be converted into gold. He wrote more than 100 books. These books were taught in Europe for centuries. So guys, that will be it for today's video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and turn the notification on to stay up to date with new scientific facts coming every day on this channel. Peace out.